Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafu's Unique Creations. Since we know that everything has become online and mobile is used frequently, be it for online classes or online work, so I have come up with an idea to make a mobile stand easily at home out of scratch. Now let's get started. The materials we require. So here I've taken this sunboard. You can also take a cardboard, mount board, or any other thick and a stiff material. Then I've taken a colored paper. You can take any color of your choice. A protractor, ruler, scissors, pencil, a blade. Now first I've taken the colored paper and the cardboard or anything, and I'm going to cover this cardboard or sunboard you've taken with this blue colored paper. I've covered this with this blue paper. Now taking the protractor, I'm going to check whether this is 90 degrees. Then I'm going to mark at 9 centimeter. And here at 9.5 centimeter.
Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for more notifications and like my video.
Now both the endpoints I'll connect to make the hypotenuse. This forms a triangle, a right angle triangle. Same thing we'll do it over here. And I'll cut it out. These pieces have been cut out. Now I'll take one piece and the longer side will face upwards. From here I'm going to mark at 4 centimeter and from the top at 3 centimeter. From here I'll mark at 1.5 centimeter. And then this I'm going to join it over here. If you go to see this triangle, if you take your protractor, this is 40.5 degree. We want it to be 90 degrees. I'm going to cut this, where the part that I marked a cross on, we'll cut that out. So after cutting this out, here I have marked at, from the top I have marked at 3 centimeter and from the bottom I have marked at 2.5 centimeter. The depth is 1 centimeter. Do the same for the other piece. So I've taken this piece of cardboard and I'm going to mark at 7 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Once I've cut out these pieces, on both of them I'll mark at 1 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So 1 centimeter leaving gap from both the ends. We'll mark a slit till 1 centimeter. Here I've got these two pieces. I've marked the slits. Now I'm going to get these other two pieces out. So I've made a locking system over here. So you will not require any glue to make this stand.
If you create any of the craft works by watching my videos, you can tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creativity.
also detach it again and you can carry it in your purse or your pocket.